Evoking emotion is crucial for any professional performer. Introducing the Fishbowl Production by Murphy's Magic. Your key to creating absolute astonishment for any audience. This is a stunning production item that transforms any performance into a moment your audience will never forget. At first glance, it looks like a heavy glass fishbowl, crystal clear, elegant, and impossible to hide. The secret, it's in the design. This bowl is actually made from an ultra-durable polymer, giving you the beauty of real glass without the weight, fragility, or risk of breaking. The bowl has been designed to magnify and visually enlarge anything you put inside, making this solution even more impossible looking. Why produce a lifeless object when you can produce life itself? Each set includes a high-quality professional fishbowl, a secure, form-fitting, leak-proof cap, a drying cloth, lifelike fish, and a convenient carrying bag, making transport and setup simple and practical. This solution is emotional, impossible looking, and far more memorable than producing an ordinary object. And most importantly, no fish are ever harmed in the performance. Just add water and you're ready to go. Elegant, powerful, professional. The Fishbowl Production from Murphy's Magic brings your magic to life.